Hello, welcome to Production Technology video lecture classes. I am your faculty Deepankar Ghosh. In the previous classes, already we discussed about your various types of welding defects. And as per your syllabus, all the articles we already completed. But in SCTBT examination, very commonly it was found that two processes which is not contained in your syllabus, but sometimes these two things are asked regularly in the examination, semester examination, as a 5 marks or 6 marks short question. So as we know, it is not in our syllabus, but still it is asking. So I want to teach you, because it is also very similar to welding, but it is not a welding process, but you can understand somehow. So the two operations are brazing and soldering. You are oftenly see this in various types of commercial application. So let us discuss about these two. Number one, first of all, we discuss about your brazing operation, and your next is your soldering operation. So first of all, we complete about brazing. Now about brazing, it is in case of brazing, joining of metal pieces is done with the help of filler metal. Filler metal is melted and distributed by capillary action between the faying surface of the metallic parts being joined. In this case, only filler metal melts. These are no melting of work metal. The filler metal, that means brazing metal, you can say, should have to melt point more than 450 degrees Celsius. It is melting point should be lesser than the melting point of the work metal. The metrological bonding between work and filler metal and geometric construction imposed on the joint by the workpiece metal make the joint stronger than the filler metal out of which the joint has been formed. So if you want to compare brazing operation with welding operation, the most important thing is that in welding we fuse the parent metal, and as well as we fuse the base metal or filler metal, you can see in some of the cases, so to join it. But in the case of brazing, we are not melt the parent metal. Only we are provide the heat up to which it can melt the filler metal. So you can say now you can see, if you go through this figure, so here copper pipes are get joined by using this. So these pipes are pushed, or you can say between this upper and over cap, that is the male part, that is the female part, and that is the male part, which is pushed together. And to make it weld leak proof, we are adding this filler metal by melting by using a burner, so that this upper portion, this filler material gets melts and stick on the surface, on that outer surface of the parent metal. Here the parent metal is not going to melt. In brazing operation, we only produce that much of heat which can melt this filler metal, and when this filler metal melts, it will stick on the outer surface of this parent metal. So we are using the heat which is less than of the fusing temperature of this parent metal. So it is not, but in the case of welding, we are we are melt this parent metal. So it is the basic difference between your welding and brazing. In brazing, again, I want to repeat these things again, that in welding we provide the heat that melt the parent metal, but you can say in brazing operation we will just provide that heat only which is capable to melt the filler metal, not the parent metal. So in the case of, in the comparison, if you compare with the strength, what you get in the welding and brazing is only that in welding we are getting the strength is very high, but in the case of brazing it is not going to provide that much of strength. Only it can be used for leak proofs purpose, or you can add some metal onto the surface, outer surface of the parent metal. That is all about your brazing operation. Then let us consider the next operation, which is named as your soldering. Now we are going to discuss about the another operation which is named as soldering. First of all, soldering is very much similar to the brazing, and its principle is same as that of the brazing. That means here also we are not providing that much of heat so that the parent metal should get melt. Here also we are providing all that heat which is melt the filler material only. The major difference lies with the filler metal. The filler metal used in case of soldering should have the melting temperature lower than 450 degree Celsius. The surface to be soldered must be pre-cleaned so that these are phases of oxides, oils, etc. and appropriate flux must be applied to the paying surface, and then surfaces are heated. Filler metal called solder is applied to the joint which distributes the closely fitted surface. Strength of soldered joint is much lesser than welding joint and less than a brazing joint. Obviously, you often see this, or you can visualize here also. If you go through the figure, these are a man which made the soldering by using a soldering iron, where heat is less than 450 degrees Celsius, and these are and it will go, if you look more point visually here in this figure, you can see it is a circuit which is get melted. That is, these are the circuit which are often you can see in the your television, your radio, your TV, your any appliances which are used in as a domestic purpose. Here, these are used to join IC, or you can say some diode, triode. Although these basically these are act as a, you can mobile also these type of process are frequently used. So this is not so-called welding. In here, soldering means we are provided again this heat what we require to be provided, that is only the heat less than 450 degrees Celsius. Then if you compare between brazing, soldering and welding, welding is going to provide you the maximum strength. Then if you consider about the strength, then next is brazing, and the last one is your soldering. That means soldering is not going to provide any strength. It is only used for the purpose of sticking, or you can say joining. Okay. Then this is the last we can conclude this chapter. So already by this I am already completed your this chapter which is named as welding, and this is a very important chapter in the respect of your examination purpose, because near about 20 to 22 marks must be asked from this. At least 2 5 marks or 6 marks question, 2 short question, that means we contain 2 marks, and the at least 1 log question which contain 10 marks is expected to come in the semester examination in this year. So Again, I repeat you that it is a very important, and you can write of your own. So last of all, thank you. And if you are having any confusion regarding welding, then you can, I am providing my contact number, my WhatsApp number, again also my email ID, so that you can, it is convenient to by you, so that you can contact me at a time, so that I will make you clear. Thank you again. Thank you for joining in my video classes. Thank you all.